Today you have to start article writing. There are so many topics are given in your assignment. Any one topic you can choose according to your interest. One topic which I am going to explain to you is moral values in life. These values are emphasized by our teachers or by our elderly people. They always tell us that we should be generous, sincere, honest in our dealings, because during our childhood, which habits we inculcate, those are difficult to break or change in our later life. Yes, we have right to do anything, we have full freedom, but we have no right to harm the emotions of other people. We have to be sincere and honest in our dealings or while treating with other people, not for that we can receive same sort of treatment from other people, but we respect other people because it demonstrates or it shows our character. Sometimes we disagree or clash with the decisions of other people, and these situations or conditions are actually testing times for us. These conditions test our patience or how much sort of tolerance we have kept in our heart. Rather than showing displeasure or getting offended with other people, we should try to sort out the problems, because it takes lot of time to build an relationship, but to break the bond or compact with other people, it doesn't take too much time. After some time we realize our mistake, then we feel sorry. So these moral values teach us how to keep control over your emotions in these adverse conditions or in these testing situations. Elderly people try to give advice to us because they have more experience than us, but we think that they are showing unnecessary interference in our personal life. Actually, they are trying to guide us, and we should take it as a positive manner. We should not think that it's a breach of our personal life. Some people try to become mischievous because it gives them short-term pleasure, but they even don't know that they are inculcating, they are imbibing very wrong habits in them. After some time, when they feel ashamed, and then those habits, those are permanently stuck in their mind, or those have become part of their body. Those habits take long time to change, then they feel helpless. Some people want to get success by cheating or by becoming more smart, but when they reach the peak of success, then they find themselves alone because they have harmed the feelings or emotions of other people. Yes, they might be successful in their life, but they might not be deserving of receiving respect of from other people. So on this topic, you have to write article writing that we should be truthful, faithful in our dealings. We should not be too much suspicious, otherwise our life would be worthless. Everyone has some weaknesses or deficiencies in our life, but we have to step forward to improve those mistakes rather than feeling that this is part of our nature. If other people are showing uneasiness towards our treatment or how we have dealt with other people, then we must try to change those habits. We must try to do self-analysis, because every day is a new lesson for us. we must try to learn new things every day. Sometimes we are driven by anger, hypocrisy, or dishonesty, but we must learn good habits in our life. If we want to become asset or we want to become a civilized person for a country, then we must bring a difference in our habits, so it will be helpful in functioning the system smoothly. So it is very much easy to become a disrespectful or self-conceited person. You will be in the category of majority of people, but to come into the category of few peoples, it needs a lot of courage or devotion. We need lot of patience to check our habits, because the testing times always test us, always try to break our patience, but these situations tell us that we should be tolerant and patient. Never be double-minded or show any sort of confusion when you are on right way, because sometimes other people try to check your patience or our character. Then we will be lovable person for everyone's eye. So topic I have explained you of moral values in a life, how they are beneficial in a student's life, of every person's life, whether he is working in any office. Never backbite behind one's back. If you disagree with anyone's opinion, you can express in front of that person in a very polite manner, so that person can understand your opinion or your point of view. That's a bad habit of criticizing anyone or condemning someone behind someone's back. So your approach towards life and towards yourself should be productive and conductive, that you want to be a different person next moment. That's why wise people say, think before you speak. Always analyze your behavior before showing. Always treat equally with other people, whether somebody is rich or whether somebody is poor. If somebody is rich, your behavior shouldn't change, that you should more polite with the person because he is more rich or he is more wealthy, and you start showing the disrespect or you start changing your habits towards the people those haven't proper sources. But you must be sympathetic or show pity towards the people those are deprived of basic necessities, and these values take so much time, but it's up to you how you want to present yourself before other people. So this article, this topic, I have explained you moral values in a life. You can choose any topic in assignment, many topics are given. This article must be of 150 words. In starting of your article, you have to give the introduction. You can express in very easy language, and in the ending you have to give the suggestions. Para, you have to start extreme left side.